Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to remove members from Messenger group. First of all, you need to open a Messenger group on your Messenger application, for example this one. Now as you can see, this is a group that includes, first we'll go on see group members, and here you can see who are the members in this group. Now as you can see, in this group we have 5 members including myself. Then I'll go back, and if I want to remove someone on this side, I'll need to go on see group members again and then click on it, and now as you can see I have more options here, including the last one that says remove from group. Go click on it. Now as you can see, we are 4 members in this group. That means that we have removed 1 member from this Messenger group. Now guys, you know how to remove members from Messenger group. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems, comment down below in the section. Thanks guys again, see you soon.